Hi, I'm Becky from Rebecca's Macrame Closet. This is actually a continuation of the earlier video when I was making the standard plant hanger. I want to also show you a standard handy dandy tool. It's called the Macrame Assistant. You can get it at Pepperell, and actually sometimes you don't have areas where you can easily hang stuff. So it actually just clamps right onto the wood. Is tighten this other part. And it does have another screw on that you can actually take that off, secure it. But for the sake of this video, I'll just actually hang it on here. I'm going to be showing you how to make the basket portion for your plant hanger. I like to go for a standard plant hanger about 6 to 8 inches down. So you want to take the 2 inner cords there on the outside of each tree branch, and then make a standard square knot. Secure that, then move on to your next part in a square knot. Now if you have a bigger plant, you can actually start these further down depending on how much cord you have for access. That's why I do stress to always cut extra cord. Otherwise it gets kind of a pain to have to splice it, and it doesn't look as professional. I got 1 row, and then I make 2 rows of these. And same basic concept, except you're taking the next 2 strands over, making a square knot. I want to mention too that if anybody's ever got any questions, just get hold of me on our website, RebeccasMacrameCloset.com. Also, you want to stay in contact with our blog site. We are actually going to be posting new tips and tricks on that on a regular basis. Something else I also do with the macrame hangers on that, especially if you've got a heavier plant, I get a standard heavy-duty rubber band, and I wrap the bottom when I am actually done with the basket portion. Now we'll be making the bottom wrap cord. And the kind of finishing touch. Again, just like we did at the top, I'm going to make a little loop and wrap around about 6 to 8 times, depending on how much cord you have. I take the tag in, loop it through the bottom, and the top, snug your nut through. And we're pretty much all done with this. Trim off any excess cords. Then I trim it to the length. And as you see, a lot of times you end up with different lengths on the bottom of cords. So I just trim this off. A lot of times this excess cord, like I said in one of our other videos, you can use them to make miscellaneous ornaments. Lots of things you can do with that excess cord, so don't necessarily throw it away. Plus, jute cord is not cheap, and it's getting harder and harder to find. Also, when I have a good pair of scissors, because the cords are sometimes harder to cut. And this should show you how this is a kind of a standard size 2-quart pot. And set it in there and show you how the plant will fit in there. And we're done. Thank you again.